So we can all party because I'm keeping up with my videos. Yeah. I don't know. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing this. I don't know why I'm clapping. Rewind. I am going to be talking about and using for the very first time the MAC 217 brush. This brush is very well loved in the beauty community and the makeup artist community. As you all know, I do freelance. So I've been using the Morphe M33 brush for most of my makeup application for the eyes. It works really well, but one thing I do notice is that over time it does start to fray. I haven't really had shedding, but it does start to fray and not look as nice. So apparently the MAC 217 brush is supposed to be the best blending brush out there. It's supposed to do pretty much everything under the moon, and I've been wanting it for so long, so I actually finally bought it. The reason why I waited so long is because this brush is $24. Yeah, for one brush, it's $24. For Morphe, I think my M433 is $5 or $6. So like, ooh, quite a difference in price, but the quality of MAC brushes are insane. They're top quality brushes created for makeup artists and pros out there and consumers now regularly too. So this is supposed to be an amazing brush, and I am going to see what the hype is about because finally I can try it out. Hopefully it'll apply my eyeshadow like a dream or something. So let's try it out. This is the MAC 217 brush. It's really pretty, it's really soft. It's like a kitty's tail or something. But it looks pretty different from my Morphe M33, but it seems a little skinnier, probably longer bristles. I'm going to take my eyeshadow palette. This is all my single eyeshadows that I've accumulated over years and years and years. This is my neutral palette. I think I'm going to take Dusty Rose. This is Dusty Rose by Anastasia. And I'm gonna take that on my brush. Let's see. Okay, picks up a pretty good amount of product just by dipping in it. Looks kind of nice. Tap out the excess. All right, let's see if it's everything I hope it would be. Hopefully. Putting it in the outer corner, blending it into the socket. Oh my gosh! That is such a smooth blend. It's like blending for me as I am putting it on, no joke. And it's so soft, it's not feeling like prickly on your lid. Oh, okay. I think I get why people like this brush. All right, so now I'm just going to put some towards the outer corner a little bit, bringing it onto the lid. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it in the crease a little bit more precisely. Oh my gosh. I am shocked. That is such a beautiful application of color. It's so perfectly blended, and it's this shape of this brush. I think the reason why they made this shape was so that you could get it right in there in that orbital bone and just kind of do the windshield wiper motions, and you get that beautiful soft crease. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna try to put a deeper color on the outer corner. How about Hot Chocolate from Anastasia? A little bit deeper. It's picking up a lot of product, that's for sure, even the darker shade. So I'm gonna concentrate it on this outer part. It also works to pack. So you pack and then you can blend. Let's see if I can do this in the crease. This is a perfect shaped brush for this, honestly. But it's getting it really nicely in there. Blending it really nice. Usually I get like weird skips when I'm applying eyeshadow on my eyelids. They're just weird, like my eyelids are just very odd. So I am just blending it very lightly and I'm not getting those weird skips. And I've seen apparently this brush is good for applying contour. There's all kinds of ways to use it, but this is shocking me to my core. This is so pretty. We're more patting and blending. I mean, this is taking little effort. This is going to change my makeup game. Okay, brush, I guess you are worth $24. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. My final thoughts are that I love this brush. If I can marry it, I would. That's going a little far. But it is a very nice brush. I feel like I was able to complete an entire makeup look with just one brush because it packs, it blends, it does detail work. It's just an amazing brush. I am so happy that I finally broke down and bought this. You have been wondering if you should buy it or not. I say do it if you have the money. It is such a nice brush. It felt like a feather on my eye, on my eyelid. It was so soft and just blended everything to perfection. I'm so excited, and to have this in my kit will be even better because this blends so well. I feel like the time it takes me to do a makeup look for a client, this will probably cut it down quite a bit because it blends as you, I mean, you put it in your eyelid and it just feels like it blends itself. It's magic. I don't know, guys. I feel like I'm being a little dramatic, but it's true. It's such a nice brush. So if you're a makeup artist or somebody who loves makeup and wants a good solid brush that's going to do pretty much everything you need it to, the MAC 217 is amazing. It's just perfect. So that's all I have to say. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you're wondering if you should get the MAC 217 or not, and now you know, hopefully. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did to give it a big thumbs up because that always helps me out. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. Make sure you join the Lustrous Beauty community by putting a comment down below and talk to each other and talk to me because I love talking to you guys and hearing your ideas. If you've tried this brush, let me know. If you've tried any other better brushes, let me know because I'm always open to finding new brushes or new makeup products or anything beauty in general. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stay lustrous. Bye!